In this video, I will show you how to repost any public Instagram story without being tagged. So first of all, open Instagram, go to the story which you want to share. Then at the bottom right hand corner, you can see this share icon, click on it. Then tap on add to story in the bottom left hand corner. Now you can adjust the size, you can tap on it to completely show it. You can add text, image, or you can tag somebody else. Then click on this arrow icon in blue. Now you can choose whether you want to share it on your story, in your close friend story, or in messages. For now, let's select your story, then click on share. Now the story will have been reposted from your account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.